Baik sahabat YouTube, bertemu kembali bersama Inspiratif, Insana Peduli Semangat Kreatif, terutama untuk mahasiswaku sekalian ya. Hari ini kita akan masuk ke praktikum bahasa Inggris, yaitu dengan materi yang pertama adalah Introducing Yourself in Nursing. Oke, kita akan introduce ya, kita akan masuk ke Introducing in Yourself. Introduce adalah kalimat yang digunakan nanti untuk memperkenalkan diri ya. Jadi nanti ketika kita memperkenalkan diri ya, itu adalah introducing yourself. Atau kita juga akan introduce others, artinya kita akan memperkenalkan orang lain. Kenapa begitu penting untuk introducing in nursing ya? Jadi di sini ada beberapa bagian ya yang memang harus Anda perkenalkan sebagai seorang perawat or nurse to the patient ya. Jadi nanti Anda akan memperkenalkan sesuatu hal, tempat ya kepada pasien. Jadi ada beberapa tempat dan juga beberapa hal terkait dengan tersebut yang harus Anda ketahui. Nah, untuk masuk ke dalam materi ini nanti Anda akan mempraktekkan ya, mempraktis, you will be to be practice in English to be learn about introducing yourself in nursing. Okay, you follow. Okay, my student, today we will learn about introducing yourself in nursing. In this lecture, there is any dialogue and practice to speak in English. For the grammar, you will learn also in another lecture. Okay, will be concentrate in this lecture today, introducing yourself in nursing. For dialogue, Dr. Sandy want to introduce his friend to Nurse Carol. Hey Carol, how is everything on? I'm very well, thanks you. And how is your life? Everything is running well. By the way, I want to introduce my friend to you. Your friend? Yes, he is Dr. Dave. Where does he work? He work at Elizabeth Hospital. This is for the first dialogue, okay? Where is he now? He is on the way to this hospital. Look, he is coming. Hello Sandy, how is everything? Fine, thanks. And you? Pretty good. Well, Dave, this is Carol. And Carol, this is Dr. Dave. Hi, how do you do, Carol? How do you do? Dr. Sandy said that you are a nurse. What department do you work, Carol? This is for the second dialogue. Still Dave and Carol. Yes, I am nurse. I work in the operating theater. And you? I work at Elizabeth Hospital, but I want to move to this hospital. That's a good news. What department are you taking in the operating theater? Working in the operating theater. Are you a surgeon? Yes, I am. Welcome to our hospital, Dr. Dave. Thank you. That is third dialogue. Now we are going to reading passage. Jane Johnson worked in her surgical ward at London Hospital. Jane does shift work, so she does not go to work at the same time every day. When she is on an early shift, she goes on duty at 7 a.m. and come home at 3 p.m. Late shift start at 2 p.m. and finish 10 p.m. Jane does not like late shift. Jane always going to work by bus when she is on a early shift to buy stuff. When she is in on outside the outpatient generally work from her home to hospital. Jane is a nurse student, so she does not work in the ward every day. On certain days, she has to attend lectures such as general nursing, anatomy and physiology, hygiene, and various subjects. She wants to pass the final exam and become a state register nurse. As a state register nurse, she will become a staff nurse, and it is possible now that one day she become nursing and department in hospital, medical ward, surgical ward, pediatric ward, maternity ward, delivery room, operating theater, outpatient department, emergency room, nurse station, ICU, CFCU, orthopedic ward. That is for the name of ward. Now we are going to next ward is geriatric ward, perinatology, administration department, nutrient department, body death room, pharmacy, laundry department, X-ray department, information center, dispensary. That is for the name of the ward. Sometime we will explain this department ward to the patient. Okay? For the vocabulary, this is any early shift, on duty, outpatient department, text rank, main entrance, lecture, in time, state register, late shift, come, tired, attend, lecture, become. Okay, you must be learn practice for the all about the introduce yourself in nursing. Okay, class? Setelah kita pelajari tentang introducing yourself in nursing, sekarang penting untuk mempraktekkan. Jadi di dalam praktikum nanti ya kita akan lebih banyak praktek untuk menggunakan bahasa Inggris karena masih pembelajaran melalui daring ya. Sehingga nanti kita akan belajar melalui video call via WhatsApp. Nah, di dalam video call via WhatsApp, Ibu ingin kalian nanti lebih banyak berpraktis menggunakan bahasa Inggris ya. Jadi nanti Ibu akan memantau satu persatu dan dari situ nanti Ibu bisa menilai ya bagaimana dan terkait dengan apa yang akan kita pelajari di dalam introducing yourself in nursing. Jadi tolong dipelajari baik-baik ya. Kemudian nanti apa yang sudah menjadi bagiannya nanti Anda bisa mempraktekkannya sendiri. Baik, ikuti terus ya.